I know there was some issue. I couldn't hear anything.
I
Sorry.
also couldn't hear you anything.
Okay. Now it's fine, no?
Yeah.
You were saying something?
What was I saying? I don't remember.
Anyway, guys, sorry for the network issues, but we
Can't
can't
help.
do anything about it, yeah.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Very
Any
true.
more questions, guys?
Any more means we have not even started abhi tak.
Hi, Vamsi.
Hello,
Hi, Mr.
Aditya.
Madman. Hi, Aditya.
Guys, questions, guys. Hello to everyone. Please don't say hi anymore.
Any questions? Just Smriti, I'll ask you a question. How long have you been sleeping?
I've been sleeping for 14-15 hours, but that's another thing.
That's normal.
Mr. Trek Rider is asking your best movement in game. I think he's asking best moment in the game. Yeah. Demi, what's your best moment in the game?
My best moment in the game, I think one would be obviously receiving my India cap. I received it from Harry Z. And the second would be like just seeing that MCG so full. Like I've never seen women's cricket, like so much crowd for women's cricket. So I think that would also be one of my memories. Yeah.
Nice.
Yours?
I'll give one stupid answer. Should I?
Tell.
Best moment is to come. Okay.
Sorry?
I said my best moment is yet to come.
Oh, interesting.
No. I
Wi-Fi
think it
still
is.
Getting stuck.
Yeah, it is getting stuck.
Yeah. No? Okay. What are you saying?
No, I think my best moment should be, I think it was very early. We won a test match against England in England.
Nice.
I wouldn't say that was best, but yeah, that was the most memorable one. And of course, all the World Cups, semis and finals were also very memorable.
Talking about test, someone has asked when will we see you all playing test? Smriti, answer that question, man.
Oh, okay. I think
we're already sitting in whites waiting to play test cricket.
Yeah, I hope very soon. Hopefully, I don't know. It's not in our hands, but let's see. Whenever they make us play, we'll play. We'll be very keen to play.
Okay, so this random girl called Rachel Michael, I don't know who is she. She's asking if you weren't involved in sports, what would you be interested in, Smriti? Okay, Rachel's my cousin for those who don't know. But yeah, she's asking what would you be interested in?
I don't think yeah, that's what I don't think I can really do anything else than playing cricket. But if at all there was something, I would really go into something like cooking or being a chef because I really love cooking. So
yeah,
some
by the
sort
way,
of
Smriti cooks really well for those who don't know.
Only veg, but no non-veg.
It's just that the only problem is she just cooks veg.
Yeah.
But it's
and Jemmy doesn't cook at all, guys. Just saying. Ananya Upinzun. Hi Ananya. What have you two missed most about playing together? And please don't say something like simply sharing the feel and all. Oh, okay. What have you two missed most about playing together? What, Demi, you say, man?
Hey, excuse me, old ladies first. Go on.
Old ladies. What have I missed playing with you? I think the whole probably just going out together on the field and that feeling of wearing India jersey. That thing has been missed. Of course, like, you're at the deep mid wicket, I'm at the other end, and we are like trying to
oh yeah.
we just meet, I think, when the wicket falls or something of that sort.
And once the match is over, we see each other.
Yeah, and then batting together, I feel just that I think it's tough because there's so many memories, but I think our conversation when we have those funny moments when you miss a ball.
I was supposed to say that only. I was supposed to say what I miss the most is Smriti's one-liners.
yeah. Well, like, I love taking Jemmy's case because she likes to just stay silent. I don't know why she feels that when she stays silent, she'll bat well. So, and I am not, I'm completely opposite.
No. It's not that I feel like I'll bat her. I don't know. It's just something with me that I just like to be in a quiet zone when I'm playing a match or something like that. Because once I start talking, I don't stop. That is one thing.
Yeah,
But
true.
it just like I just realized that I'm just in a better position to like I play my best when I'm like that. So I just like that zone. So that's something with me.
And that's completely opposite to me. If I be
Yeah,
too
and
much, like, if I'm quiet for
Smriti will
too
come
long, I
in
think,
between the hey Jemmy kuch baat karna Jemmy kuch baat and I'll just
yeah,
listen.
because I'm non-striker, then I just want some entertainment to happen. Of course, I just focus when I'm on strike. Otherwise, I just want something here and there, talking here, some stupid stuff, or I don't know. Like, I remember once Tahu bowled you a bouncer, and you left it well, and I just came to Jemmy and I'm like, Jemmy, nice sleeve, yeah, like really nice, you left it really well, and it was like 128 k's. That was like the fastest I think we saw a women bowl at that time.
Hmm.
So and Jemmy's like, what leave, man? It was like I just couldn't
I'll
see
tell.
the ball.
No. What happened was she bowled a bouncer, and I went to play, and then Smriti then over हुआ. Then Smriti comes in between, and she's like, "Hey, Jemmy, well left." I'm like, "क्या मैंने छोड़ा नहीं? मतलब बैट आने से पहले ball गया."
Yes,
We started laughing.
so
Yeah.
I think, yeah, these
So
these
that.
moments, I think,
And
because
then
we make
Smriti
so
comes
many
and say,
memories.
Smriti sweeps a ball, and then she comes and says, "Jemmy, देख कुछ भी करने का, ego hurt नहीं करने का."
Yeah.
So
So
yeah,
all these, I
okay.
think,
Moving on to the next one. Yeah,
moving on.
Rat
Now
is
then we'll
asking, Rat is asking, PUBG कब खेलना है?
PUBG बैन
Sorry,
हो गया यार, मैं नहीं खेल सकूंगी. I
PUBG.
hope I could play, but it's not. It's banned. What? So.
Interesting.
Mhm.
So, Mr. Shakespeare is asking Smriti, how do you feel when you are the man of the match in the winning moment? Means woman of the match in the winning moment.
Well, I cannot feel anything if I'm man of the match because I'm not man of the match. I'll be the woman of the match or the player of the match. But yeah, it feels good, especially if we have won the match and I'm player of the match. It feels good that I've contributed to like India winning a match, and I think that's the best feeling. And Jemmy will agree that we all really strive to just make India win, and if that we can do on that given day, I think that's the best feeling, right, James?
Right. I agree.
Yes, too deep.
Okay. Uh, okay. K. Shastri is asking, Jemmy, what's your nickname? So, I mean, my nickname is
Gems.
Jemmy. Gems. Smriti calls me Gems. Also, Smriti, you can tell what you saved my name on your phone.
So Jemmy's name on my phone is Ignore because
Whenever she sees my call, she ignores my call. In short. Thanks.
yes,
True friend.
she calls at wrong timings.
Okay.
Why can I not see like questions that well? You're like spotting it
I
and
think it's
talking.
our
You're
internet.
well. No, I can see the questions, but like I can't talk and do the same time.
Okay. Gauri Shankar is asking, क्या आप IPL खेलना चाहते हैं? Of course, we want to play a women's IPL. It's called the Women's T20 Challenge that we're playing. We've been playing it for the last 3 years, I think. So hopefully this time we get to play more matches. And again, one reason why I love playing the Women's T20 Challenge is because Smriti and I are always in the opposite team. And there's more banter and more fun. Smriti will come and start sledging me and ignore as usual. So yeah, but it's really fun. Just really looking forward to
Yes,
it.
yes, I agree. It's a very nice experience to share the dressing
Yeah.
room with.
Especially, remember we played that finals in Jaipur? The
Yeah,
crowd?
yeah, yeah.
The
Yeah,
crowd was
it
crazy
was a
that
good
time.
experience to watch it.
Yeah.
Demi, thanks for reminding I wasn't part of that.
Yeah, but you'd come for the match. You'd come for
Yeah,
the
I did
match.
some commentary on that though.
Yeah. Big people, yeah.
I gossiped about you. Like
Oh,
what is
really?
Jemmy doing? What is wrong
No,
with
tell
her?
me the truth. You might have seen me on the field. ऐसे कुछ गाली वाली देना. Means you wanted to give a गाली something, but you're like, नहीं, मैं commentary box में हूँ. I won't give
Yeah,
all
गाली
this.
यार. I don't use bad words. Jemmy से नाम मत खराब करिए.
Is it? Okay. Okay, Dinesh is asking, when will you get married, Smriti ma'am?
Babre, I'm just 24. You want to see me like playing and winning matches for India, right? So yeah, it's still time. I'll just say that.
Okay. Shad, you'll call me, na? You'll invite me, na, for your wedding, Smriti.
No, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. Mad what? I don't want to spoil it.
Okay, moving on to the next question. My heart didn't break at all. Really didn't break. Prashant Solanki is asking Jemmy coaching center. अरे आपको क्या coaching है? W पे Fiverr लेते हो आप? He's playing. He practices. We practice together.
Oh,
Prashant,
okay.
same club. So
I thought randomly you're
now
telling a guy
Vijay
named
Hazare.
Hamza Pfeiffer
No,
late. I was like, wow, Jimmy. uh,
questions.
questions.
Favorite male cricketer for both of you? Vijay Rana is asking. So for me, it's Rohit Sharma. Always.
So for me, like from the current lot, I like everyone's small little things.
Such a diplomatic answer. Oh, yeah, everyone clap for Smriti for answer. Yeah, clap back.
I'll only clap. No, but it's actually true. From the current lot,
Okay.
probably yes, because I like everyone's few stuff which I would like to take in
But
my game.
you-
But yeah, from
how much
the
I
older
remember?
times, I think Sangakkara is my favorite.
Correct. I was supposed to say that.
Yeah.
Because I remember in the Kia Super League, I think you had clicked a picture with Sangakkara.
Yeah, I
So,
think he's the only guy. Like I was like,
and then you sent it
I
to
was
me
like,
immediately.
yeah.
Jamie, see this? Yeah, this is the only picture you've clicked. Yeah, correct.
And I remember like walking up to him, and I'm like, I first time like I was like being excited, and you know me, like I can't get excited
Yeah,
or anything.
correct.
But I saw him, and I was like, "Hey, I see your batting videos. If I'm not batting well, and all of that, it was like it
Nice.
was a very nice thing to meet him. And of course, he was very sweet and kind. Like he had just watched the match and had scored a 50. And I asked him, "So what can I work on more?" And he's just like, "Come on, you're smashing the ball well. Don't think, just go and what can I tell you?" So I was like, "Oh, thank you, sir. Like it meant a lot to me."
Even I had done a podcast recently, the Super Over podcast. So at that time,
Okay.
so I was there, and you could just sit and just listen to him all day. It was like that. I mean, even though he was talking about keeping, and I'm not a keeper, but it was so the way he was saying it, so it was really nice. So I mean, if anyone's a keeper, you can just go and just watch that. So it's really nice. Okay,
Oh,
it's
nice
Kabir.
promotion, Jamie.
Thanks. Yeah, see how smoothly I fitted in.
Nicely, yeah.
Guys, Super Over podcast, watch it.
Yeah.
So it's Kabir is asking how much percentage, ma'am, you got in 10th. So I got 80% in 10th.
I got 87%.
Caller, interesting. Caller. See, I have this logic. You shouldn't be too smart, also not too less, also.
Mine is a very funny story. Actually, I just studied for a month. I got 86.72%, like something. No, actually 86.67. And I called up my mom and I was like, "Mom, I got 86.67." And she was like, she just heard 67 because you used to go to Net Cafe and check na, that time. She just heard 67 and she's like, "Wow, beta, अच्छे मिल गए." And I was like, "Mommy, 86.67." And she couldn't believe it actually.
Your mom actually in fact told you एक और बार check करके आना ना.
हाँ, एक और बार check करके आ जा बेटा, तेरा नहीं होगा वो. मैंने बोला यार मम्मी हॉल टिकट मैंने ही मेरा ही डाला है.
That's funny. Nice. Smriti, okay, so Rajat is asking, Smriti, would you like to go in film industry if you will get a chance? Film industry.
You don't like my batting, Rajat. But no, I don't think I can act that well. For a few ad commercials and all, I think that is more than enough. Batting is something which I enjoy. And any which way, I don't think anyone is interested in taking me.
Yeah, nobody will take you at all.
Why will they? There's so many beautiful actors. Why will they take me?
Okay. So, Shrujal is asking, आज मराठी दिवस आहे, मराठी मध्ये बोला ना. So they tell how amazing my Marathi is.
जेमीज accent से only तुम्हाला कळायला पाहिजे की जेमीची मराठी किती चांगली आहे. माझी मराठी चांगली आहे.
हॅलो, मला मराठी इतकं छान येतं ग की मी काय सांगू.
That is the only thing you can say in Marathi, and that I've been hearing for last 2 years, 3 years.
आता मी मराठीत बोलणार बघ.
राहू दे. It's fine.
चांगलं आहे माझं मराठी.
It's fine. Hindi, you try first Hindi. Let's then think about Marathi.
I agree.
What is...
Zamar Michael is asking, ma'am, very important question. Please answer, Didi. Who's funnier? Has to be Smriti, right? At Jemima Rotex. You just wanted to hear that now. Zamar is also my cousin. They just come here to take my case. Correct.
I think Jemmy is of course funnier, but it depends. Like if I am probably I'm very, very tired, extremely tired, then I can go in a very bad, like I can say anything stupid. Yeah, Jemmy, you remember that session?
No,
that fitness session?
You feel your
after that.
but they're very lame.
Okay,
But you just
whatever, but okay, they are lame. I'm not disagreeing to that, but still, like those are the only times when I will say, like, when I'm very, very tired and I go in that. You remember that session, that fitness
oh
session which
shit,
we had, and we were very tired and we
बहुत
were
मजा आया
speaking
था वो
crap.
session में.
And I think only me and Jamie were laughing on each other's joke. Anyone else was not
I
like
lost it.
not.
I don't know, something else only after running full she we were.
Uh,
And what nonsense we were talking.
we were
And
like Jamie
we're like,
man.
Demi man. Like, Smriti man, what's up?
Yeah, it was funny.
I mean, here it doesn't sound that interesting or funny, but it was funny.
And that's what I'm saying. No one was interested in our jokes. Only we both were laughing that day.
Yeah, that is true.
Ah,
Ananya is asking, if you weren't batters, would you rather be a spinner or a pacer? I'm already a spinner, yaar.
oh yes, Jamie spins the ball like she spins the ball square. Okay, guys, Jamie's first domestic wicket is me.
That was my debut game. So it was my debut game against Maharashtra. I was 14 years old or something, and Shruti had just come from international cricket. I think you played all these fast bowlers and all. So at that time, our strategy was to bowl as slow as possible to Smriti because she can't play
That
slow bowling at all.
Jamie,
So I
come on,
came with a
we have a
short run
series
up and I
coming up.
just released the ball. Huh?
We have a series coming up.
No. So I just, and then yeah, it was cotton wool.
Ananya, I think I know you're a pacer, but for me, I think I would like to be a spinner only because I
Tell
just
why.
feel pacers को बहुत भाग के आना पड़ता है, बहुत मेहनत है. I always salute pacers for being a pacer. Like it's too much of effort, and I'm too lazy to be a pacer. Like pacers का because the pacers I think have a different mindset, right, Jamie? Like they'll be
Correct.
in gym at 6 o'clock, 6:30 in the morning. They'll be
Correct.
doing rehab for an hour, then the gym session, sorry,
Even
and
warm
then.
up, they'll do like exact whatever said an extra.
Ananya is saying that's how I used to get her out.
No, see, strategies. Shit, I should have told you
Jamie,
strategy.
come on, Jamie. I hope no South African player is watching this.
Don't worry, that was that time. How many years back?
4 years back. Alright.
Please मेरा नाम ले लो. Shankar, hi Shankar.
Hello, Shankar.
Senorita is asking, who's your inspiration?
Hi,
think
where
for
are you
me,
seeing these questions? Why can't I see these questions? Okay, yeah.
I don't know. But he can ask you if they've asked you. Who's my inspiration? My inspiration is will be my mom and dad. Like the way they work hard, and it's a lot of sacrifice. I don't know how do they sacrifice so much, but they do it because they love us. So I think no one will ever be able to match that, like the love that they have. So I think it would be both of them.
And also, third person you forgot, Jamie. Come on, James.
Who? Jemima Rodriguez. Zamar, like who's your inspiration apart from Zamar? Apart from Zamar, I have no one, yaar. Granny the best. Sorry, Zamar is a beast. Inside joke.
See, my joke. Why am I fumbling? My jokes are better.
You won't get it because it was an inside joke. Enoch, sorry, you are definitely not my inspiration, Enoch. Okay, so Mohit is asking your favorite shot. My favorite shot is the cover drive. And I think even Smriti's is the cover drive.
नो यार अभी कवर ड्राइव अभी कितना कवर ड्राइव ही बोलते हैं मेरा स्वीप है अभी एक्चुअली रिवर्स
Oh! Reverse sweep. Not bad. Huh? I want to see you play. Smriti, remember, I think it was in South Africa. No, sorry, it was in New Zealand, I think. Listen now. I think it was in New Zealand, and you were like, Nets, I finished batting, I was standing there. So like you came up to me from there, you walked and came, Jamie, dekh, ab main reverse sweep marne wali. And you went and you played the reverse sweep, but ball bat ko nahi laga. That was another
I
story.
missed terribly that ball. I don't think I'm made to play 360 degree like playing this sweep and reverse sweep shots.
Okay, Naresh sir is asking, who was your biggest inspiration growing up? I think I just gave that answer, same, my mom and dad, because all kids look up to their parents, and I think my parents have set a good example. So yeah. And cricketing wise, I grew up watching Sachin sir. I think everyone grew up watching Sachin sir. So yeah.
Our generation, yeah.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. My inspiration is my mom
Mm.
and My yeah, my mom actually.
Wow. I'll call uncle today and say, Uncle, she didn't tell you are our inspiration.
No, he will agree to that. He'll be like,
Okay,
yeah, yeah. First,
nice.
like there's like
Hmm.
first, second, third, no. So Papa is also
Interesting.
there. Of course, he's worked so much on me,
Hmm.
but my mom.
Hmm.
Give me
Nice.
more questions. I too cannot see.
Yeah. Chijo, I don't know how you pronounce it, is asking next World Cup we will win or not. I mean, we're trying our best and hopefully we will win. So you guys need to support us. Smriti, anything you have to say?
Mm, you said it all. I don't think about future.
Oh, is it? After 10 we'll see. Okay, Zamaz asking place to visit in the world.
What?
New Zealand, New Zealand.
New Zealand. Yeah, for me also.
You go. What I have to answer? You have to answer the same thing, no?
ठीक है. I'll say Sangdi.
Nagresh Shubham is saying Jai Maharashtra. Jai Maharashtra.
Uh, Mayur is asking आपके कैफे में हम आ सकते हैं क्या? Of course आ सकते हो.
आ
Cafe
जाओ,
is open.
खाना भी खा लो.
I
Smriti,
think the
नहीं खा
opening
रही.
hours are 11 to 10. Anytime you can come, most welcome.
Hey, today free food in Smriti's cafe from Smriti's side.
My brother will kill me.
Okay. Singh uh, Prakhar is asking, tell us about yesterday's comment. Yesterday you commented no.
Oh, what on you
On my
commented on mine or
You had commented on
with
my
your
post. I
okay
don't know.
that one. With your comment, you're gonna get a nice tight when
Huh?
we meet.
With my
Like
comment.
yeah, what you commented, you're gonna get right when
I'll
we
go
meet.
and no, I'll delete
What?
it.
Come on,
I'll
after
go
2 days,
delete
what's
it.
the use of deleting it?
Uh, Enoch is saying Sangli's most famous attraction is SM18 Cafe. Are they definitely? Come on.
I will like to believe that.
Nice. See again how I slipped in promotion for your cafe.
Yeah, Gems, you're pro.
Bro,
Nice.
I get free food, no? That's why.
Next time I'll charge you double.
अरे रे 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 सिस्टर से पैसा कौन लेता है रे
सिस्टर को लूटना रहता है जब सिस्टर इतना कमा रही है तो why to give it for free ना right guys.
Okay, I'll take your credit card, don't worry. Okay, guys, last few questions and then we'll see you all directly on the field.
On 7th March.
7th March, yeah. 7th March, our first match against South Africa. ODIs.
Yes.
After a long time, na?
Yeah.
I think more than 9 to 10 months, I think.
I think 8th March was the last and 7th March.
Correct.
So probably after a year.
Hmm. Any more questions, guys? Ma'am, I'm leaving. You are ignoring my questions. अरे Harry, sorry, सच में कुछ questions नहीं दिख रहे हम लोग को.
हरलीन यार तेरे को कैसे इग्नोर कर सकते हैं हम
Shruti,
लोग
I
बता
think
तू.
more than us, Harleen was excited. Live.
Yeah, she was like she told our trainer that please finish the session early because we have something important to watch at 7 o'clock. And I actually thought she has a movie or something because it didn't really click me that she actually is so excited to watch our live. Nice, Harleen.
Nice. Sorry, Harry, if we didn't answer your
Vinay is
question.
asking, can you guide young females how to go for cricket with so much exposure not available? Why am I fumbling? Yeah, Jamie, you say.
Say na.
Come on, James.
I answer.
I think the now it's not that tough to get into an academy. Like probably for last 4 5 years, we have a lot more girls, young girls who have picked up bat and ball, who have started playing. So I think the easiest way to get into cricket is to play cricket, to go into nearest place where cricket is played and just start, just get the passion, like get it going, learn the skill, and then there's a pathway now, you know. So so yeah, I think that is the only way I know is like go and play cricket.
Yeah. I think, like, compared to when we started, it's become much better. Like, that's what you're trying to say, right? Because
Yeah,
now,
yeah, yeah.
even where I used to go, I used to be the only girl. And I'm sure where you used to practice, you were also like the only girl playing amongst the boys. But now it's
Yes.
totally different. Like, we're seeing just a specific nets for girls. And it's not just that, but even coaches have been like allowing girls to come and participate. And in fact, they encourage girls to come and play and practice with the boys. So I think it's much more easier than what it was before. And yeah, cricket is picking up so many, and it's so, I don't know, but every time I see a girl, on the field at the same ground where I used to practice, like few years before there was no girl, and now I see so many girls coming up there. I don't know, I just feel really happy. So I think it's becoming much better. So as Smriti said, yeah, I mean, if you have the passion, just go for it.
Yes. How did you
So the
feel?
last question.
Why? We can be there till 8 o'clock.
Sorry.
We can be there till 8 o'clock. We hardly do live sessions, so it's fine.
Wow, done. Anyway, we don't have anything. Done.
Yeah, anything we don't have. Like,
Ma'am, Malayalam, Kerala, God's own country. Ennakida illa padike. Malayalam, amazing.
wow, Jenny. This is like Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, the same dialogue you say, na?
See, but you understood what I said, na? Tell what I said.
I don't know.
Come on.
No, I don't. We don't know Malayalam. I think it's
Yeah, we don't know. That was just.
yeah. Hmm. What is the
Smriti, you are
question?
beautiful inside out. Suchita
Wow,
Salvi.
thank you. Thanks, Jamie, for not saying anything about it.
आंसर नहीं दे रही है आप. Sorry, Abhishek. Just saw your message. Shashikala, hi. Good luck for the
Yes,
South
Shashi.
Africa. Thank you so much, and hopefully we'll meet you soon. It was fun in the IPL.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay,
She's my
one
favorite
question.
bowler. You're
Yeah,
my favorite
mine too.
bowler, Shashikala.
I also told you.
Best off spinner.
I agree.
Who I've played
Okay,
probably.
next question. First impression of each other.
Jamie's first impression was like, what is this girl? Like, why
No,
is
you
she
tell
like
tell
being.
you're telling your first impression of me, right?
Yeah, that's what. So your
Ah.
first impression for me was like, why is this girl so like talkative? And first time we met and she's like coming and saying, hi Smriti, and hugging. And I was like, what
No,
is
no,
like, I don't even know.
I didn't come and say hi.
Oh,
You
sorry, yeah, you
said
got selected for Indian team. And I just said ki, what did I say?
congratulations.
Jamie, congratulations. So then you said and you came and you're like, thank you, Smriti, so much. And you hugged like, and I was like, what is this girl? What is wrong with this girl? So
I have
that's my first
that,
impression of Jamie.
but I just
But
my
you do
first
that to everyone.
my first impression of Smriti was I like that time Smriti used to wear specs firstly. And I had heard a lot about Smriti because she was the one scoring and scoring this double hundreds. And so in domestic, everyone used to talk and see Smriti, so focused she is towards cricket. This and so I had an assumption that okay, Smriti is full cricket the whole time. So then first time we were room partners, I entered the room. I saw Smriti's back was facing me like that. So I came in and I kept my luggage. We started talking, and then then Smriti turned and her iPad was here. And a cricket match was going on there. So again, I thought, cricket hi dekh rahi hai yaar. Cricket, matlab she might be thinking cricket. And then she turned and there was a movie on. So I was like, hey, you watch movies also? She's like, what do you mean I watch movies? I mean, she got so offended as if I told something so bad and insulted her. And I love movies and all that. So yeah, I had a assumption that Smriti is very, like the serious cricket whole time. But no, when she's on the field, of course, it's like she's 100% over there. But off the field, she's very chilled out and, loves to have chai.
Way more
And
chilled out than Jamie of the field when it
yeah,
comes to cricket.
I agree. Who's your lifelong enemy? Sarah
No
Vedi is
enemy.
asking Smriti. Of course, come on.
What यार जेमी, come on यार, अपने बहन को कोई एनिमे बना दे.
That is only the reason. Nice. Jemmy ma'am, you look like great scientist.
Who's that?
This is the
That nice joke.
best compliment I've got. Thank you.
That's why she's trying to wear specs, and like she wants people to take her a bit seriously. That's why she's started wearing the specs. Otherwise,
Look,
no one takes her seriously.
this is my nerdy look. Do you like it? Should I just not wear specs? Audience poll.
No one's
Smriti ma'am,
questioning. No one's
what
answering.
time
Sorry.
will woke up? I mean, he asked what time you wake up. Tell what time you wake up.
Today I woke up at 8:30. Seriously, I
8:30?
woke up at 8:30. Yeah.
You texted so late.
Huh?
You texted so late, so I thought when you texted, like on the group, you
No.
texted, no? So I thought
Today
10 or
I
something.
woke up at 8:30 because there was a parcel which had come for me. So they called
Oh,
me. So I had to get up.
acha, nice.
So yeah, 8:30.
Okay, Rajput is asking T20, ODI or Test.
All three formats has its own challenges. All I think playing cricket, any form of cricket.
Anyone, this is not allowed.
And I love all three formats.
I
But
also love all
that
three
now
formats.
that we don't play test, I think test matches because
Having a
ODI and
quiz is
T20s we have a lot. But
correct.
yeah, test matches we don't play much. So but I have played probably two. So I know that that feeling of going out wearing a white kit and short leg, three slips, one. Yeah. And I
How is
feel
that?
test matches. I
I don't
think
think
test matches has like it covers all three formats. Sometimes you have to bat like T20 if you're doing that. Sometimes you have to go in that one day phase. Sometimes you actually have to bat like test cricket if it's a difficult wicket. So I think that that all three formats is covered in test match. And probably I think we are biased towards it because we don't play it that much.
Yeah, I agree. But like, how was your experience? I don't think I've ever asked you. Like, how was the experience? Like playing in whites and like just that. Like it was your first. I think it was your debut, no? That that test you
It was
played.
8 girls debut, not only mine. we had when they give the caps, na, so it was like I think Mitudi, Juludi, and
Hmm.
I think at that time it was Karudi who had played tests,
Hmm.
and Karunadi. So and everyone else was a newcomer, including Harry D was she was it was a debut.
Oh, okay.
So it was like batters were in this one place, like 4 5 batters were getting caps from Mitali Di, few batters were getting from Karudi, and some few batters were getting from Juludi. So it was like
Okay.
everyone is like getting caps, and so. But yeah, I think the question you asked, that feeling of that wearing that whites and going to bat, and
Hmm.
especially I think those challenging conditions. I think first match which we played against England, we had like a green wicket, and we all were really we didn't know what to do. Like it's
Hmm.
like as a batter you are tested a lot. Like I had to
Hmm.
actually practice leaving the ball and going for that match because I can't leave a ball. So
Hmm.
so yeah, all these things, and just that feeling of you're batting and there's like three slips, one gully, and there's a short leg fielder, and those setup, they are setting you up like they are bowling four
Correct.
balls outside, and then they're trying to hit you one. So all those plannings, I think you plan a lot more in Test cricket to get the
Mm-hmm.
batter out. So I feel yeah, those all those things I think is quite
But like,
memorable.
did you have to like put extra effort to change your game, or you just batting like you normally bat?
No,
Because I've
I just
this
batted like probably the way I bat in one days.
hmm.
Like not of course T20s, but yeah, the way I bat in one days, I probably did that.
But
But
you did
yeah, I didn't
like in
try
a
to
test
chase
match,
the balls.
you have to leave and everything like that.
Yeah, that's what I didn't try to chase a ball probably outside fourth, fifth stump.
Uh,
But yeah, but other than that, I don't think I changed really anything in my mindset, and
hmm.
that's how we don't change. I don't change anything in T20s and one days also.
Hmm.
I just try and play a few more lofted in T20s and in one days a bit less. Same thing I think
Okay.
in test. I don't think you also change much of your game, right?
No, not really. But I've not played test, so I'm just curious to know about test cricket.
Yeah, I mean, like I remember. So my coach told me that you have to leave a ball. So I was like, okay. So he's bowling to me. Anand was bowling to me on fifth stump consistently, And he told me leave the ball either. So I left 4 balls and fifth ball third करके I gave. And then he was like, again you hit. Then you're gonna get. Yeah, I think he like told me like you'll have to run 4-5 rounds or something because he had to be strict with me. So then
Running.
we put a stump on the fifth, sixth stump, and then I was just trying to leave the ball. That was very funny.
Yeah. Yeah, Smriti, tell them about running now. How excited you get to run.
Hey, now I get excited. Okay, I've started loving to run.
Yeah, just last few days, I think.
Last 1 month actually.
Oh, nice. Impressive.
Yeah.
So,
Earlier it was running session used to be more stressful for me than a match. So
yeah, I know.
you
So,
remember before yo-yo test, I couldn't sleep, Jemmy, and I used to tell
yeah,
Jemmy, "Kal yo-yo
I used
test."
to get so nervous. Like, it yo-yo test. I'm like, Ani, Smriti, chill. Itna batting mein also you don't take tension. What are you taking tension? Okay, so Hillel is asking, do you like to play in the same team or against each other?
Both are nice. Both
Both are nice.
both has
I
different
mean,
experience.
obviously, we love playing for India together.
Mm-hmm.
So, but the thing is, like, when we're against, it's an extra josh, with the extra khunnas it is. Like, when you're
Yeah,
playing with your best friend, I think you guys can relate.
yeah.
Harshit is saying, ये हम है. अच्छा, okay. Harshit is saying, ये हम है. स्मृति दीदी है और यहाँ जेमी स्मृति दीदी को परेशान कर रही है. और
As always, I am such a Sharif
thought,
girl. She always takes my case, guys.
Anudeep is saying, hey, Jemima Ji and Smriti Ji, no need to say anything. Just praying to God to bless you both and keep you safe. From
Thank
Andhra
you.
Pradesh. Thank you so much. Really sweet, Anudeep. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Who?
Anudeep.
Anudeep. Thank you, Anudeep. Okay. Now, actually, last few questions. I'm
Yeah,
ready.
last week. Anyway, 10 minutes more.
Yeah.
How excited are you about playing on the field after a long time? Dhanashri is asking. I don't think we need to answer that question because
Very, very excited. And also
super
nervous,
excited.
actually. Actually,
Yeah.
also nervous a bit because
Yeah.
after a long time, if you
After a long
enter
time.
the field, I think it's a bit nervous. But yeah, actually, more than nervous, it's more of excitement.
Right. But also, not just we're playing cricket after a long time, we're playing ODIs after such a long time because last year,
Yeah.
because of the World Cup, we played so many T20s.
Yes,
So, yeah,
yes.
that is also true. Okay, last few questions, guys. Last few
Ask
questions.
some interesting one, guys. Jemmy को परेशान करना है.
See, all these people are very sweet. They won't do that. Not the old one. So that's his name. He's saying, what if Smriti retires? Then whom will you irritate, Jemmy?
यार
Come
ये
on,
लोग
yeah,
मेरी
she's
शादी करवा रहे हैं,
24.
मेरे को
Who's
रिटायरमेंट
thinking
करवा
about
रहे हैं. क्या कर
retirement
रहे
now?
हो तुम लोग यार? हद है.
People ask about shadi, retirement. I think they
हाँ
feel you're old, Smriti.
Come on,
Okay.
guys. You guys don't like me. You guys don't like my batting. Please don't say that.
So, no, I like your batting. I'm a big fan, man.
Wow, Jenny. Means a lot.
I think those have to be a little sweet to you.
Otherwise, you're gonna get it for something.
Okay. And then any more questions, guys? Just last two, maybe we'll order.
Your thoughts on India Gaba win? Yeah, I think it was an amazing series. Amazing to watch actually as a spectator, and especially like I think I was getting up, I was putting an alarm, getting up and watching that series because it was so like anyone could win at any point of time, and that's the beauty of Test cricket. So yeah, and the way Indian team performed, I think it was like quite commendable for them to bat or play and bowl the way they did.
True. I agree. And the best part about that match was like everyone contributed.
Yeah.
Like firstly, it was a young team and everyone contributed to the win. Like every single person. So, I mean, that's what like for any spectator also, and especially when we play cricket and we can relate. I mean, that's the most like the best thing we can ask for. From a team to see that unity in the team and everyone standing for each other. And after that loss, like getting all out so fast and then coming back. So yeah, I think for me the thing that stood out was the way everyone contributed.
And I feel that win and that series was like I think a lot of people were connected to that. Like people could relate. I don't know why, but it was like more relatable or I don't know relatable, but it like people
just
were
feel
more
the
connected
emotion.
in
Like we were
emotions.
so
Yeah, it was
involved.
we
Yeah,
could actually feel the emotions of the player, which is very it doesn't happen that much. We don't
correct.
really understand. Yeah.
That's there. Nice.
Mm, nice. So guys, last two questions. Ask some interesting one. I'm very hungry.
What are you going to eat? Paneer chili.
I have not thought yet. Probably something, yeah, that's what only. Paneer only. What else option veg
What
people have?
option you have?
I knew that's coming.
Try chicken, Yaswati. Best. You're missing out a lot in life.
It's okay. I'm happy being a vegetarian. What is your nickname, Smriti Manna? My nickname is Smrits. A lot of
Let's,
people call me Smrits.
sometimes I call you Mandana Didi.
And if Jemmy has some work, she'll call me Smritzu.
Yeah, I know. I'll be like, Smitsu, listen na Smitsu.
If she's saying Smritzu, that means she has some work.
Swati, even before saying hi, she'll have bol kya kaam hai re? Favorite stadium? For me, it's Wankhede. Mumbai.
I actually don't have one. Like I love a lot of stadiums, but
No, the Hobart one. See, I
yeah,
remember.
that is like that is like memorable because it was I scored my first century, but I can't say it was my favorite. But because I don't know ऐसा कोई stadium नहीं है कि we are playing there a lot of times and क्या I don't know. Mona
Okay,
Mishram,
Ritvik.
Madu 2017 World Cup or T20 World Cup finals, which one was the best? Hey, come on.
2000.
I think both were best. I think both had very different experience. 2017 was a completely different experience, and 2020 was like 86,000 crowd, and that was a completely different experience. But I think 2017 because that probably
Jaldi, it's okay.
got women's cricket like people started knowing more about women's cricket in India. So probably 2017 like to start, but 2020 was like also very memorable. So
Yeah, true. Ritvik is asking, what's your mom's name? Shriti.
Shriti. Well, first, tell my name correctly. I'll tell you my mom's name, okay?
Hi, Shriti Mandana.
my पहले पेपर में मेरा नाम ऐसे लिखते थे श्रुति स्फूर्ति स्मृति स्मृति like all these names I had पहले
I
newspaper
also
में.
had a lot of Jamima, Jemima, Janima. One boy used to call me Dhamima. I don't know why.
Nice man. I'll
And
start
then
calling it Dhamima. Dhamima.
and then my cousin, he was really young, like 1 or 2 years old. He couldn't pronounce Jemima, so he used to call me Banana. He's like banana. I'm like, okay, fine. Now what to tell?
Banana. Nice.
Who's your favorite actor, ma'am?
Actor Hrithik Roshan.
Okay. Who?
Hrithik Roshan. Come on, James.
Hrithik Roshan. No, I thought Kartik Aaryan also. Hrithik Roshan also and Kartik Aaryan.
हाँ मतलब actor या ऋतिक रोशन या
Okay, look wise Kartik. Mine is Ranbir Kapoor. For those who care. Like you just moved on to the next question.
sorry.
That's okay. I'm very used to it.
Oh, come on, Jenny. I don't do that often. I'm just trying to.
Last
I don't know how you're managing both talking and reading questions. I'm not able to do both.
इसको pro बोलते हैं. Pro.
Yeah, you're pro at doing this. I'm कच्चा नींबू.
Talking, I'm just zoning out.
So bad.
Kidding. But you know,
Jamie, you know na, Jamie.
It hurts. Okay, last question, guys, and then we'll sign off.
Nice one. Select a nice one.
Jemima, how do you control laugh on the field? I don't laugh only on the field. I told you
I can laugh at all on the field.
While fielding, I'm still okay. With batting, I go in a zone.
It's tough to talk to Jenny when she's batting.
That's the only time I'm quiet. I thought you'd like that. You keep saying me, Jemmy, shut up.
Yeah, it's nice.
I'm keeping silent. You have a problem. No.
But उसमें उधर problem ये है कि you're the only person I have ना at that time to talk to. Otherwise, I have na people who I can talk to. That's why I tell you shut up.
Talla. Even in the room, when only I am there in the room, you're like, Jemmy, shut up.
But I have people who I can call up and talk, na. That's what I'm saying. But
Okay, fine.
when I'm
Again,
batting, I don't have, na.
my heart didn't break at all.
Smriti ma'am, your
Okay,
favorite Marathi film.
sorry. Huh.
Marathi film. Jemmy, that film was nice, right? Muramba. I don't know how
Muramba.
to pronounce it. It was a very cute film. Really liked it.
Marathi. Even Mumbai, Pune, Mumbai, I think, na?
Hey, that was
It's,
also nice. And Dunyadari is nice.
yeah, I think you only were like, uh,
Classmates was also
we watched
nice.
it together, I think.
Hmm?
We watched it together, I think.
Yeah,
You know?
yeah. I think Mumbai has 2 or 3 parts. I watched the second part with you. I'm not sure.
Yeah, the second part, yeah. Third part.
Hmm.
Okay, one guy asked, jersey number 18, what's the story behind it? Josh, I think. Josh has asked.
I think
For
I've said it a lot of times. I have my 18 July is my birthday, so that's why I have 18 on it.
Huh?
And
Or was it? Remember you said your roll number or something like that?
yeah, so roll number was 7. So I wanted 7 because I
Acha.
got selected when I was in 10th, I guess. So that's though you say na roll number
That was
7.
so
So you
fun.
say yes, ma'am. But I think 7 someone had already taken in the team. I don't remember who, so I didn't
Whatever
get 7.
roll number कौन रखता है यार jersey number?
Yeah, Ravi, I didn't go. I was not like into it. कि, I want this jersey number, that or something of that sort. Then Vikas sir actually from BCCI he had called. So yeah, I said 7 गया है तो अभी कुछ भी दे दो. Then he said अरे 18 तेरा number है ये ना birthday तो 18 ही रख ले. Like okay, give 18 अभी. That's actually the story. It's not that interesting.
Jemmy Smriti fan club is saying India women's versus South Africa women's win it. Thank you guys and thank you for all the love that you
Yeah.
show towards. Thanks. Keep supporting.
Yes. Keep supporting, guys. Please do watch our series, which is
Yes, it
going
is
to start
starting.
on 7th March.
Yes,
We are
we'll
like
be back.
we are saying like we are in a Star Sports promo. Please do watch.
Pay us now.
Yeah.
So
But
do support us, guys. It's on the 7th of
you'll get the
March.
schedule on
And
the BCCI website.
yeah, and
Do
we'll be on the field after a very long time. So we need your support and I'm really excited to be back on the field.
your voice got cut, Gems.
Till where you heard?
Keep supporting us.
Yeah. So I was like, our match is starting on the 7th of March. Keep supporting us, and we are really excited to be back on the field after so long.
Yes, same mutual feelings.
Yeah. Mandana Didi, it was nice talking to you.
Same
Thank
here,
you for joining.
Gems. And now please
Yeah.
don't show me your face for the next 2 days.
And also a big thank you to all those people who joined us today and hearing our bakwas from so long. I know
Yes.
it's not easy, but thank you so much again. And
Especially
thank
this
you to all
girl
those
app.
guys.
Very
Sorry?
hard. I said especially the girl app, it's very hard to like tolerate her for an hour. So you guys have done a
Right.
good job.
Yeah, thank you. And also a shout out to all our fan clubs, Jasmine. I think we should give them, they are
Yeah.
really following us from a long time. So thank you to all the fan clubs because I think if we start
All
taking
the
the
Indian
names,
women's team for fan clubs, all Double
yes,
Trouble fan clubs, all Jemmy fan clubs, all Smriti fan clubs, I think.
correct.
Thank you for your
Thanks a lot.
support.
Love you all and see you all soon. Bye.
And we know that you guys are also very excited to see us back in action.
Yes.
So yeah.
Okay, wait, before we go, we'll take a screenshot. Smriti. Ready?
Wait. Yeah.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Nice.
Was that smile here? Chalo. Bye guys.
Okay, take another one. Wait, take another one. Good. Thank you
Okay.
guys for joining us. We'll
Thank
do
you
this
guys.
sometime
See
soon.
you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Bye.